Okay, let's dive into this awesome resource for teaching gratitude. Okay, teachers, you know the struggle, right? Reaching 25 different readers with just one lesson. Well, this gratitude-themed reading set, it's designed to solve exactly that problem. And look, it's a complete package. Seriously, it's got everything you need ready to go. So the heart of this whole thing is its brilliant three-level system for every student.
And get this, the naming alone makes differentiation feel simple and honestly kind of fun.
Each level is carefully crafted for a specific reading ability, making sure it's just right. So for your emerging readers, the Appetizer level uses super clear and simple language. Now compare that to Feast mode. You can just feel the deeper emotional context here. And it's not just the reading that's leveled, the questions are too. This is so smart. It moves kids from basic recall to much higher level thinking. You can really see that jump in thinking from a simple who to a complex why. The resource also has fun activities to help all that new vocabulary really stick.
Yep, a word search and a crossword make learning these key theme words way more engaging.
So what does this all mean for teachers? Well, it's a huge time saver. It's designed to be super easy. You can get it going right away with almost no prep. And beyond all the academics, it teaches a really powerful lesson from the story. So it really makes you wonder, right? This goes way beyond just a reading lesson.